out of control.
Second down coming up. Peterson's lined up in a single back formation. The beats now move the chains. Playing press coverage to the outside. The Brooklyn Beats will take the snap from the 35. Goodwin's going to pull in the bullet pass. A foot race to the end zone. Taking it all the way home for the touchdown.
Well, we're talking about some of the fastest humans on earth. And we take into account you can't touch them or breathe on them. That's how they're able to get open and make so many catches.
Add the extra point. The kick is good. The 49ers in kickoff return formation. And they're all over him at the 18-yard line. The 49ers take the field again on offense. They'll be looking for a repeat of their last drive. They came away with a touchdown and really had the defense on its heels.
Well, it's going to be hard to repeat what they just did because it looked so easy and it was well done by their offense. And I think when you talk about situations like this, it really comes down to one thing. Can the offensive line continue to dominate? Jim, look at that. The defensive line all shifting down inside. They're expecting a run right up the middle. They're changing things here. The quarterback changing. He's giving the receiver some new instructions.
Smith's going to take it from the gun. Jerick McKinnon has the reception. The Beats call a timeout. Their first. Second down here. The Brooklyn Beats lined up in the nickel. Looks like they're in press coverage here. What a catch. The 49ers are looking good so far, Phil, and a lot of that has to do with the passing game. Smith's been in rhythm so far today.
He has been in rhythm. He is hot. Some days, Jim, when you warm up, you know you have it, and that's what happened to this guy today. When he was warming up, he had it, and he has it in the game.
They've got a first down with just a minute remaining before halftime. Let's see what they do on first down following that huge play. Smith's going to take the snap from the shotgun. And it's a catch by Eifert.
Nice job that time by the runner. Gets out of bounds after the play. You got under 2 minutes, and you need to stop the clock, so he gets it done.
Smith's completed his last 6 passes. Coming to the line at the 48. Smith's back in shotgun formation. Intercepted.
Good job that time by the defense. Not being fooled. Being in position. When you're in position, you have a chance to make the play. That time they did. They got the interception.
The Beats ready to get this drive started. The last time they had it, Phil, it was a touchdown, and they got all the way to the end zone mainly through the air.
Yeah, they did it through the air. They got good protection. You know, we love what the quarterback is doing, but how about the wide receivers and everybody catching the football, separating from the defender, and they're getting some easy throw and catches out there. You know, you go to the hurry-up offense so you can get a high number of plays in, but also you don't want to use the timeout.
The Beats use another timeout here, and they have one left. The corners are going to meet the receivers right on the line of scrimmage. First down and 10. Thomas is the receiver on the screen. He'll pick up 7 this time. After the pass play, gain 7. 2nd and 3 on the way. Hurry up, 2-minute offense. They'll hike it to him out of the shotgun. Throws the pass. Has the grab. Hill's there to take him down. The Brooklyn Beats will use a timeout here. They'll talk it over before running a play on first down.
All set up now at the 21.
Let's see how they back up the big play here. Luck's got it in the gun. Second and 10 coming up.
Quarterback sees something in his defense he wants to take advantage of.
Andrew Luck in shotgun formation.
Not much the offense can do in a situation like this. 3rd and long, what you probably will have to do is either surprise them with a run or throw it short and hope somebody can make a play and pick up a first down.
This will be a 38-yard field goal attempt.
And he converts here on the field goal try.
Well, this guy's a machine. Every time he gets a chance to go out there and kick a field goal, it is right down the middle. Good job by the offense, good job by the kicker.
The 49ers in kickoff return formation. The teams head to the locker room, and we'll be heading to the studio to our pal Larry Ridley as you watch the NFL on EA Sports. The second half is officially underway. It'll be a touchback. The Beats talk things over at the intermission, and I'm sure one of the first orders of business was to try to figure out a way to get this offense going, Phil.
Absolutely. That's what you want to do, and I think you do that by play call. So the coach, they have many plays that we call drive starters. Catch the defense by surprise. They need to call one of those right here and right now to get this offense going.
The third quarter begins with this play. Peterson's met at the 30. They went with the ground game on first down, bringing up second. The 49ers will come out in the dime. Luck will take the snap from the gun. The Beats get a first down. That's another reception, giving him 2.
When you pick up first downs against the defense, they will get tired. That time, nice job by the offense getting the first down, even though they're losing here in the game.
Luck's completion percentage, 50% on the day. The 49ers defense brings in an extra member of the secondary. They'll go nickel. First down at the 37. Peterson, left side. Second down now. The 49ers go with the dime formation here on defense.
Luck out of the gun.
He'll throw it over the middle. He pulls it down somehow. Incredible catch there by the receiver as he goes vertical and comes down with the football and the catch.
We see these incredible catches every single week. Right now, the most talented guys in the NFL might be the wide receivers. They can just do everything. Run, jump, run routes, and make these incredible catches.
Shakes off the hit.
Peterson's a very smart runner. He knows situations in the game. He saw the first down yard markers, and what does he do? He gets past them and picks up the first down.
First and 10. He's drilled as he throws. Second and 10 coming up. Andrew Luck under center. Makes the catch. And in for the touchdown. And now we're setting up for an exciting final quarter and a half as that touchdown makes this a very close game.
Yeah, it does. You know, listen, I was starting to think that this game might get out of hand, but that quick touchdown changes everything. We'll see how the other team can adjust to a whole new situation. Look out. The defense is showing a blitz here.
Sherman's going to secure the handoff. That hurts. The two-point try is denied. The Brooklyn Beats are ready to kick it away. He'll have a chance to take off. And the tackle is made right around the 26-yard line. The 49ers offense back on the field trying to make up for that costly mistake. The last time they had the ball, the turnover they committed immediately turned into points against them.
Yeah, it did, Jim, but you know what? It's not a perfect game. You got to deal with adversity when you're talking about football. So you made that mistake, let it go and go out there, be aggressive, and see if you can score some points.
First down at the 26. Wilkerson's able to read that play and make the hit.
The Beats guessed right on the defensive side that time. They thought it was going to be a run play. They were all over it, and they got it in the backfield and made the tackle.
And here we have second down. The Beats defense now is going to go nickel.